Exercise 12.2, question number 1. Determine if the following are in proportion. Okay, so 4 different numbers are given. We have to see whether they are in proportion. Okay, so what is proportion? Proportion means the ratios, they should be equal. Okay, so this sum we will find the ratio. Okay, and we will see whether the ratios are equal. If they are equal, we can say that they are in proportion. Okay, let's see how to find the answer. Okay, so 15, 45, 40 and 120. Okay, how can we check whether the ratios are equal? Okay, first I can take 15 and 45. Okay, so 15 and 45 I will take and I will find the ratio. Okay, and again 40 and 120 I have to take and find the ratio and compare the two ratios and say whether they are in proportion. Okay, so let's see how to do. So 15, 45. 15 is to 45. Okay, now 15 is to 45. How can we write in the form of fraction? 15 divided by 45. Okay, now 15 and 45. I can take 5 tables. Okay, so 5 3s are 15 and 5 9s are 45. Okay, now I have 3 divided by 9. Okay, so 3 divided by 9, which table can I take? 3 table. Okay, so 3 1s are 3 and 3 3s are 9. Now 1 divided by 3. So okay, so what is the ratio? 1 is to 3. Okay, so now we got 1 is to 3. Now next we have to find for 40 and 120. Okay, so 40 is to 120. Okay, now first we have to write it in the form of fraction. So 40 divided by 120. Okay, now we have to make them to simplest form. So 1 0 from the numerator and denominator we can cancel. Okay, now I have 4 and 12. Okay, so 4 table I can cancel. 4 1s are 4 and 4 3s are 12. Okay, so 1 divided by 3. How can we write in the form of ratio? 1 is to 3. Okay, so here also 1 is to 3. Here also 1 is to 3. So the ratios are equal. Okay, so we can say that they are in proportion. If the ratios are equal, we can say that they are in proportion. Okay, so our question is determine if the following are in proportion. Okay, so they are equal. So how can I write? 15 is to 45 is equal to 40 is to 120. They are equal. Okay, we can either use equal to symbol or that 4 dots, the symbol of proportion, that 4 dots we can use. Okay, so they are equal. So they are forming a proportion. Okay, so determine if the following are in proportion. Are they in proportion? Yes, yes, they are in proportion. Clear, children? B question 33, 121, 9 and 96. Okay, so we have to check whether they are in proportion. Okay, so first two numbers I am taking. So 33 is to 121. Okay, now how can we write them in fraction? I can write it as 33 divided by 121. Okay, now I have to make them to simplest form. Okay, so 33 and 121. Okay, so I can take, which table can I take? Can I take 11 table? Yes. So 11, I am cancelling this 33 and I am writing 11 3s are is 33. Okay. So now 121. Okay, children. So 121. Okay, 11 table. Okay, so you can find by dividing also. Okay, so 121 divided by 11. Okay, so I can take 12. So 12, so 11 ones are 11 and the remainder is 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. 1 minus 1 0. Okay, so 2 minus 1 is 1. I have to bring down this 1. Now again I am having 11. Okay, so 11 1 times 11 and the remainder is 0. Okay, so 11 table, 11 into 11 is 121. So can I cancel this and can I put 11? Yes, so 33 is 3 times, 121 it is 11 times. Okay, now 3 and 11. We can't make them into simplest form. So what is the ratio? 3 is to 11. Clear, children? Okay, now next number 9 and 96. So 9 is to 96. Okay, so fraction 9 by 96. So how can we make them to simplest form? 3 table. So 3 3s are 9. Okay. And 96 again. 3 3s are 9. 3 2s are 6. So 32. Now 3 and 32. Okay. So 3 and 32. Which table can we cancel? We can't cancel. We can't take 3 table, no? Okay. So 3 by 32. So the ratio is 3 is to 32. Now 3 is to 11 and 3 is to 32. Are they equal? No, the ratios are not equal. 3 is to 11 and 3 is to 32. They are not equal. So if they are not equal, then we say they are not in proportion. Clear, children? So here they are not equal. Okay, so 33 is to 121 is not equal to 9 is to 96. Okay, what is this symbol? I am putting a equal to symbol. Okay, equal to symbol, and I am putting a cross. That means they are not equal. Okay, so they are not equal. So are they in proportion? No. Okay, so they are not in proportion. Okay, the answer is no. Clear, children? Next, see sum 24, 28, 36 and 48. Okay, now we have to check whether they are in proportion. So the first two numbers, 24 is to 28. Okay, so write them in fraction. So 24 divided by 28. Okay, now which table can we cancel? Ones place you are having even numbers. Okay, so can I take 2 table? Yes, so 2 table I am taking. So 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. Okay, here 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8. Okay, now 12 and 14. Again I can cancel in 2 table. Okay, so 2 6 are 12 and 2 sevens are 14. Okay, now 6 divided by 7. I can't make them to simplest form. So the ratio is 6 is to 7. Clear. Now next 36 is to 48. So that is equal to 36 divided by 48. Okay, so here also ones place you have even numbers. So 2 table I can take. Okay, so 2 ones are 2. Okay, so you are having 3 here. Okay, 2 ones are 2. So what is remaining? 1 is remaining. So that 1 will be carried forward to this number. So now this number is 16. Okay, so 2 8s are 16. Okay, now 48. So 2 table, 2 2s are 4 and 2 4s are 8. Okay, now 18 by 25. Again 2 table. 2 9s are 18. Here 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Okay, now 9 and 12. Which table can we cancel? 3 tables. So 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. Okay, now 3 and 4. So how can I write them in the form of ratio? 3 is to 4. Okay, now you have 6 is to 7 and 3 is to 4. Are the ratios equal? No, they are not equal. Okay, so 24 is to 28 is not equal to 36 is to 48. This symbol I told you not equal to. Okay, so they are not in proportion. So are they in proportion? No. Okay, no, they are not in proportion. Clear? Next, D subdivision. Okay, same way we have to find. Okay, so 32 and 48. So 32 is to 48. Okay, so 32 divided by 48. Okay, now ones place you have 2 and 8. So which table can we take? 2 table. Okay, so 32. 2 table when I take 2 ones are 2. So 1 is remaining. 1. Okay, so this number is 12. So 2 6 are 12. Clear? Now 48. Again 2 2s are 4 and 2 4s are it is 8. Okay, now you have 16 and 24. Okay, again 2 table. 2 8s are 16. Okay, 24. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Now you have 8 and 12. Again 2 table. 2 4s are 8, 2 6 are 12. Okay, so 4 and 6. Again can I take 2 table? Yes, so 2 2s are 4 and 2 3s are 6. Now we have 2 and 3. Okay, so the answer is 2 is to 3. Clear children? Now next 70 is to 210. Okay, so 70 is to 210. So 70 divided by 210. So 1 0 from the numerator and denominator we can cancel. Okay, now 7 and 21. 7 table can I take? 7 ones are 7, 7 threes are 21. Okay, now I have 1 divided by 3. So what is the ratio? 1 is to 3. Okay, so you have 2 is to 3 and 1 is to 3. Are they equal? No. Okay, so 32 is to 48 is not equal to 70 is to 210. Okay, now are they in proportion? They are not equal. So no, they are not in proportion. Clear? Next one, 4, 6, 8 and 12. Very simple. Okay, so 4 is to 6 is equal to 4 divided by 6. So 2 table, 2 2s are 4 and 2 3s are 6. Okay, so 2 by 3. So 2 is to 3. Okay, now 8 and 12. Okay, so 8 is to 12. Okay, so fraction form it is 8 divided by 12 and 8 and 12 2 table I can cancel. So 2 4s are 8, 2 6 are 12. Okay, now 4 and 6. So 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. Here also we have 2 is to 3. So 2 is to 3 and 2 is to 3. So the ratios are equal. Okay, so 4 is to 6 is equal to 8 is to 12. Okay, so are they in proportion? They are equal, no? So yes, they are in proportion. Clear? Next, F subdivision 33, 44, 75 and 100. Okay, so 33 and 44 we have to take. 33 is to 44 is equal to, how can we write in fraction? 33 divided by 44. Okay, now 33 and 44. Which table can we take? Can I take 11 table? Yes. 11 3s are 33 and 11 4s are 44. Okay, so 11 3 times 33, 11 4 times it is 44. Okay, you can either divide and see. Okay, so 33, if you can't cancel like this, divide 33 divided by 11. 11 3s are is 33 now. Okay, same way 11 into 4 is 44. Okay, so we have 3 divided by 4. Okay children, so ratio is 3 is to 4. Clear children? Now next one. Next one, 75 and 100. Okay, so 75 is to 100. So that is equal to 75 divided by 100. Okay, now 75 and 100. Okay, so which table can we take? Can we take 5 table? Yes. So 5 ones are 5. What is remaining? 7 here, no? So 2 is remaining. So this number is 25 now. 5 5s are 25. Clear? Now 100 you have. Okay, cancel in 5 table. 5 2s are 10 and this 0 we will put as such. 5 2s are is 10. This 0 I have to put. Okay, now 15 and 20. Again 5 table. 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20. Clear? Now 3 divided by 4. Okay, that is equal to 3 is to 4. Now the ratios are 3 is to 4 and 3 is to 4. Okay, so they are in proportion. They are equal and so they are in a proportion. Okay, so 33 is to 44 is equal to 75 is to 100. Okay, are they in proportion? They are equal. Yes, they are in proportion. Clear?